Just received my order picture from LuxWallArt, Chaotica 2. Opening it up, see what it looks like. So, it says fragile on it. It was delivered by FedEx. There's a bash in this corner. The corner's fine. This corner's a little bashed. That corner's fine. Some dents at the bottom here. Now these are thin metal plates. Let's see. It says fragile. At least he attempted. So let's see what they look like. Did I say it's Chaotica 2? 5-piece print. I got the print because it looked pretty kick-ass. Like 60 inches long, so it's with an inch between each panel. Package is a little loose. I don't know. I'm not the expert. Guessing this is what it was printed off of. Guessing they took the print off of this because you can see where it's dark on the edges and in the center. It's like they laid the pieces down and I guess it got heat treated onto this 132 aluminum. Mounts on the wall pretty light, like super light, like really light. Aluminum studs cut up, padding on the back, shiny holes drilled already, some instructions in there, hanging directions. Okay, at least these aren't loose, it doesn't seem. That would be a downer. Oh yeah, bubble wrap on the top. Oh, that's nice. Paper in between each piece. No scratches. It'll bend if you bend it. But it can hold its own. you can clean them with Windex. It'll all make sense, as you can see. There's some weird spots that look weird on this, but I don't want to mess with it too much. The tips all look, corners all look really good. Super shiny. So, cover that one back up. Then there's probably going to be more than likely going to be a hanging video.